Yeah, hi, Brent. Hampton High School is right behind me. It was closed for learning today. So if you're wondering what the police lights and the line of traffic is all about, it's since been turned into an N95 mask and rapid at-home test distribution site. And speaking of those rapid at-home tests, the state of Connecticut, we learned, distributed 620,000 of those to schools all across Connecticut today. And they say that every teacher or staff member who needs one of those N95 masks will be able to get one, but only time will tell if all of those mitigation techniques will be enough to stop the spread of the Omicron variant.
Matt Karen's question had me, thinking about the fact that our schools are open. I think we're got our schools open safely, but there's still some kids now who are not coming into the classroom.
It's not just staff shortages. Student absences are making it tough to advance new curriculum in the classroom.
I understand clearly, right? You don't want to leave many kids behind, again, which is why we really want them there in the classroom.
But despite the learning and safety challenges, Connecticut has doubled down on full in-person learning.
We're still more committed than ever to keeping our schools open.
But that wasn't an option for several districts Tuesday as staffing and bus driver shortages from COVID-19 forced closures, even as revised state guidance shortened quarantine times and ended contact tracing.
Schools that choose to continue to follow that guidance have that option to do that. However, we provided an alternative.
This online petition favoring an option for remote learning has nearly 5,000 signatures and was started by a Meriden mom of two who is immunocompromised.
Having the option, I'm not saying to take away in-school learning. I also believe that in-school learning is the best option. However, what I am saying is that parents should have the option to keep their children home and do remote learning while the numbers are so high with COVID.
State leaders allow remote learning for kids who test positive or who have certain disabilities, but otherwise would have to make up the days when they close at the end of the year.
But we also know that schools provide critical supports, mental health supports, social emotional supports, nutrition, physical activity, and these supports have grown even more important during this time.
All right, and unless the governor signs an executive order, schools still will have to meet that 180-day instructional requirement with regard to masks. Governor Lamont said that the in-school mask mandate will remain in place until at least February. We're live in Hamden. Matt Karen, Fox 61 News.